there's a little plaque.
Engraved. Oh, cool. That's for disabled people. So they have somewhere to sit.
Oh, that's what it's for? Like
They made
priority
this for me.
seating?
Something for this area and platform that was constructed.
Oh, there's a plaque on there.
Discoveries.
I just figure as many plaques and signs as possible will give some history.
Oh yeah.
Huh? Oh, that's, yeah. Rotary International.
To the citizens of Kamloops area for your enjoyment and pleasure.
Human change, not...
Something change.
Hmm.
I think the homeless people are frustrated, you know? I wish there was something that would work for them.
I was just thinking about that as we were walking out, because there's been that homeless guy in the parking parkade.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking, well, it's entirely understandable on my side and everyone else's side that they feel unsafe with him there.
Yeah.
It sounds like some people have had some encounters, I'm not sure what they are. But at the same time, people in that situation, no matter what their mental health status, they don't have any options.
Yeah.
Or
Especially if they have a mental health problem, because they might have been given a place to stay and they
it didn't
were
work.
too loud. Yeah, it didn't work.
Yeah, they don't have any options, and the options available, while there are options available, they don't always suit everyone's needs.
I feel like they need to make it more individual for each person, like even more so than the welfare office. You know how you got to go to the welfare office and plead your case? It would be good if somebody was walking around seeking these people out with a clipboard or something,
Yeah.
and then present the case to someone and see what
It
they
does-
can actually do.
It does need to be more individualized,
Yeah.
and asking people in that situation what they need is a good place to start.
And
I hadn't thought of that.
Showing them that you're at least trying and caring and reaching out.
Like, what do you
And even
need?
that can
What would
help
make this
them
better?
Make changes. Just feeling cared about, right? Because they're angry and they feel forgotten. They might have done many great things with their life and then hit some roadblock and now they're forgotten.
Yeah, you don't know. And individualize is probably the best way to go forward. Look at this. It's all.
I'm taking a picture.
I'm wondering if it's like random notes or if it like,
Plays a song.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that's.
because I don't know.
I've seen people, they get a tattoo of like a musical thing, and then if you scan it, the song will come up.
That's cool.
So that's what makes me think of, like, taking down all the notes and then seeing what comes up.
Yeah.
Jackie, look, Jackie!
She call out.
I think she's playing it. The musical notes go all the way over here.
Cool. It does look like it's the same though, so I wonder what it's.
The Japanese thing is the sister cities or whatever, where they